Hey guys, it's Monday morning, new week, and we are all ready to crush our goals. And if you are working from home, I'm hoping that you must have started. And yes, even I am working from home. But then again, what am I doing here? Right. As soon as I began my work, what I found was I'm unable to log in due to some network issues. I've already informed my manager, and things are being taken care of in the back end. But as soon as that issue resolves, I just thought of making this quick video so that I can address some of the challenges I guess even you could relate to, which we all are facing while working from home. You know, apart from this global pandemic and the world has been upside down, still there are other challenges which we are facing in our day-to-day lives, and while working from home there are many, starting from network issues to distractions from family members, then again the right mindset, that work environment. From work environment, I would like to say, when we are office, there is a workspace, we have our designated desks, our favorite chairs, then again we have a great team to support us entire day. We are kept accountable from our seniors, managers. But when we are working from home, our mind switches to the very casual and relaxed approach, that we have the entire day to meet our deliverables. But then again, at the end of the day, we find out, oh, we are overworking, and then again we still have some work to do. But then again, we have to keep ourselves accountable, and we are doing to the best. What more I have realized during this quarantine is that we have been more aware towards each other, and this is about it. Trust me, I am not waiting for this quarantine, lockdown, self isolation to get over and then get back to the normal life, because it's never going to get back as normal as it used to be. A new world is coming, and we have to adapt to this new. Just choose this moment to adapt this new normal, and again be grateful to everyone whom you are associated with in work, family, personal life, everything. I am really missing out on my great supportive team, my managers who keeps me accountable, and then again those break time which for tea and etc. And there are so many other things. But then again, let's not wait for the date in future to live and express our gratitude towards everyone. Let's do it now. It is the right time to do, and keep our right mindset and perspective in place. This is all what matters during these times. We are all in this together. Thank you. I appreciate you, and I love you. You mean a lot.